Hey guys, what's going on? Chad here again, and thanks for watching this video. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Blazing Beard products, the Dictator. So stay tuned right after this intro. Okay guys, let's get right into this. Blazing Beard products. You have Andrew, who is the owner. He started this business 3 years ago this June. After several years of being in corporate America, he sold it in 2017, started his own company, sold that, and got into the beard care business. That's how Blazing Beard products has come to be. Let's get right into the scent profile. Rich cedarwood, fresh leather, zesty lemon, overlay notes of velvety smooth cognac, and highly spiced tobacco leaves. Here's the presentation. Looks really, really cool. I like the colors. Let's get into the ingredients. It has grapeseed oil, coconut oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, fragrance oil, and rosemary. As you can see, it is kind of on the light viscosity, in my opinion, which is okay. I'll be completely honest. I really like thicker viscosity. I like castor oil. I like how the thicker carrier oils work better in my beard. Does this work great? It still works really good. A 1 ounce bottle like this will cost you $15. It's about average with the market. He does have a combo where you can get this oil and the balm for $25. So that is a pretty good deal when you put them together. I'm going to take a moment and say, if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit the like button because it does help this video. Hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you are notified with every review and every video that I post. I will drop a link below where you can find this. If you use my discount code BONY10, it'll save you 10%. So I will drop those below as well. Okay guys, so scent duration or longevity. This is the part where I like to really talk about how long does these fragrances last. I own a lot of fragrances. I know note breakdowns. I know all kinds of things about different fragrance lines and different note breakdowns and that type of stuff. So I can really speak freely and confidently when I say this works good and this works well and this doesn't when it comes to beard oils and how long they last. And I will say this one does not disappoint. I got about 6 to 7, sometimes 8 hours of getting whiffs of this throughout the day. I go into an office at 8 o'clock. I'll put this on before when I'm getting ready. I'll get out of the shower. I'll throw some in the beard. I do heat my beard up. I straighten it in the mornings with a blow dryer. I love the smell of this. I get some balm and I put it on my arm sometimes just to smell it throughout the day. It does kind of smell a little coconutty. I do get a vibe from that, which is funny because my wife had said, man, it kind of smells like an almond joy. I kind of understand what she's saying, but it does change. I smell a little bit of the cigar, I smell different things coming out of this, and it does smell great, guys. It is an overall pleasing scent. And as I said, I really enjoy it. I will say that I have been ordering a lot of products from small batch companies lately because I feel like they don't get enough recognition. They need to have more people talking about their products because if they have really good products, how will they ever be discovered? And so I want to help push things that I think are good. Now, if it's not good, I'm going to be straight up honest and I'm not going to lie. I'm going to tell you it's not good. Okay. But I will say I keep going back to this one. I did get a lot of products here lately, but I keep going back to this one because I like the way it smells. I like the way it feels. Going on to the next part, we're going to talk about the feel in beard. How does it feel in my beard? How does it feel throughout the day? It feels really good, guys. I put it in. I love the way it just makes it look straight. It makes it look soft. And not only does it look soft, it feels soft. So my final thoughts, should you pass, try, or get a sample, or should you just buy it? If you like the Cuban cigar, tobacco type scents, I think that you should just buy this. If you don't buy it. Get a sample of it. Try it out. You might not like it. So, with that said, if you like those, buy it. I think you'll love it. That's just my personal opinion. As I said, I've got a lot of fragrances. It's hard for me to be content with something when it comes to fragrances. My overall thoughts, it's a great choice. I think the customer service is really, really good with Blazing Beard products with Andrew. I ordered this and it came really, really fast. He shipped it really quickly, and kudos to you, man. You did a great job. Excellent customer service. As always, thanks for watching the video and staying around to the end. I will be doing a lot more reviews coming soon, so stay tuned. If you want to catch more of my reviews, you can check out my playlist right here, and I'll catch you on the next video.